Omo, I don't tire for some kind people where they come show safe. They go they package themselves because them deal with girls. They promise waiting they no get. They whine you because you need help. I mean, only me the thing they happen to. I dey vex.
My brother, forget some people with their promises. Life na scam. Everybody with their packaging. They don't promise me 2 days. I no fit sleep. If I just close eyes, now so I go they see spirits.
Now someone call me. They tell me say you perform well. Say he go sign me and he go connect me with men. He give me number. Say make I call him tomorrow morning. I call him introduce myself. He say wrong number, please.
One tell me make I go search him number. Say na him be senior brother to INEC chairman. He go support my career in pounds and dollars. For my mind, I think say God don't answer my prayer.
Big scam. Anybody where to get long story. I know they send them. Na type of them they play specific. I believe say who won't help you know they talk too much. They collect number. 2 seconds they don't blow you off.
My own advice be say make you keep the fire burning. Appreciate but don't you rely on anybody. Na Baba God they direct help a commit person. Where your own come you must fulfill your destiny.
More people will get knowledge, now they don't get anything.
Oh, shut up your mouth, don't start this your talk.
Okay, wait, my tell you something. These days, to gain knowledge, now waste of time. You better make you use that time, they hustle for cash. Knowledge no be wealth, now just to get names. So if you talk, express yourself among your mates.
Which kind talk you they talk like this with courage? You know no say knowledge, they give person package. Your money looks stupid if you no get knowledge. You go just they spend anyhow till you broke finish.
You don't know anything, my guy, make a break and down. How many successful men knowledge help their life? They only get wisdom, now waiting they apply, so they no fit go broke. Come on that one from mine.
You can't get sense. It be like say you know they see. How many of the successful men they hear English? Big man sit down with him mate, no fit give speech. Which kind success be that? God forbid bad thing.
They say knowledge is power, bros na big lie. Now when you get money for hand, you be strong man. After all, with the money you go get knowledge. Employ people where get, make they can't work you pay.
For this life, everybody need knowledge and understanding. If not, you no go fit become wetin you won't be. Nonsense. Without knowledge, money miss road. Employ workers you get, they overshadow your business.